Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start right inside Photos. Open the picture, tap Edit, then More or the Markup option. This puts you into the Drawing and Text workspace. Once Markup is open, tap the plus button and select Text to drop a text box onto the photo. You can type immediately. Make sure you place the box roughly where you want it because positioning now makes later fine-tuning faster. Once done here, you're ready to refine style and placement in the next steps. Now adjust how the text looks and behaves. Double-tap the text to edit, then open the options to pick font weight or style and alignment. These controls explain why text reads well against your photo. Pinch to scale and use 2 fingers to rotate so the text follows perspective. Tap color to choose a hue or opacity, add a background shape, or stroke from the pen tools to increase contrast. Once you like the look and placement, make small nudges to get pixel-perfect alignment. Finish by tapping Done to apply markup, and then Done again to save back to Photos. That commits the text to the image. If you want a non-destructive workflow, duplicate the photo first so you preserve the original. Make sure to use Revert in Edit if you need to undo the saved version. If markup or text controls aren't available, update iOS and restart the phone. Often a quick reboot or updating resolves missing tools and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.